Just as usual, I'll be needing an empty bowl which I'll be using to mix everything, and the first thing here is turmeric. So I'll be needing a teaspoon of turmeric, and this is me adding it into my bowl, a teaspoon and a little more. Yeah, so you can use a teaspoon depending on how big or small your armpit is. Don't mind me. So the next one is baking soda. So you take a teaspoon of baking soda, and also I am also going in with honey, with my pure honey. So you take about a tablespoon of honey. I actually added mine without measuring. You know this African style now that we add something until our ancestors whisper to us and tell us that it's enough, it's okay. So that was what I did. And the next thing that I went in with is my lemon juice. Yes, I didn't measure it also. So just add until it's enough to form the consistency you need. Okay, and that's exactly what I did here, or rather what I am doing here. And I love the sizzling sound. Oh my god, I wish this thing has sound. Like, I didn't mute it. The sound was so satisfying and I loved hearing that. Yes, all you have to do is just to mix it very well. And I want to use this opportunity to thank you. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, you are just joining me for the first time, I really appreciate your clicking in. Take a moment to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification. And if you have not liked this video, like it. Okay, click on that like button and like it. Share to someone that might need this video. Okay, I really appreciate. And you can even support me by sending me a super thanks. I would really appreciate that. Okay, now this is exactly the consistency that I love, and I have got here. So you can see the consistency. You can make yours to be like this. Okay, so guys, I will go ahead and apply it. Now, as I'm applying this thing, I want to use this moment to let you know some few tips that you can actually apply also in order to keep your armpits fresh and not looking that dark. Okay, and also to use this opportunity to ask you if you have liked this video. Whenever you are applying your moisturizer, don't leave your armpits. If you are scrubbing, if you are exfoliating, don't leave your armpits. Try to shave often. Try to wask. Okay, don't leave your armpit until it turns to George Bush before you do something about it. If not, it's going to get dark and darker. Okay, so you have to shave often. Use your moisturizer when you are applying your lotion on your body. Don't leave your armpits. And this is the end of this video. Like, share, stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.